Watch your mouth. How to play. The object of the game is to be the team with the most points after 4 rounds. Give each player their own clean mouth opener. Divide into teams of 2. Each team picks one player to be the reader and the other to be the interpreter. Pick a team to go first, then play proceeds clockwise. On your team's turn, your reader places their mouth opener in their mouth by squeezing the U-shaped bar together and gently putting the longer ears on the inside, then releasing. Once ready, flip the timer and the reader draws a card and reads the word or phrase on the card, and the interpreter must guess correctly, then accurately repeat what the reader is saying. The interpreter must state the phrase exactly as it is written on the card. The other teams are allowed to see the card to verify accuracy. After a correct interpretation, then the reader draws a new card. At the end of the time limit, your team scores 1 point for each correctly interpreted card. During the guessing, you can only say what is written on the card and nod yes or no, no hints. Alternatively, if the group agrees beforehand, you can play where the reader is allowed to say anything and use gestures, but they may not draw, write, or illustrate. You are not allowed to pass on a card unless it is a bonus card. Bonus cards are more difficult and are worth 2 points instead of 1. The game ends after 4 rounds. A round is after each team has gone once. After each round, the roles of each team's reader and interpreter switch. The team with the most points after 4 rounds wins.